Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick butter chicken. First, cube your chicken thighs into 1-inch pieces and set them aside. Next, finely chop 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic. You'll also need about 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Having all your ingredients prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and faster. This easy method ensures a delicious meal in no time. Now let's get cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pan over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and cook until it's soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. This aromatic base is key to a flavorful butter chicken. Next, add your cubed chicken to the pan and cook until it's lightly browned on all sides, about 5 to 7 minutes. Pour in the 15 ounces of tomato puree and half a cup of water or chicken broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for about 15 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked through and tender. Finally, for that signature creamy texture, stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. If you like, add 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Let it gently heat through for a couple of minutes, but avoid boiling. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious, quick butter chicken hot with rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy your easy homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.